Now, how can we shape things? Well, that's Rupert Sheldrake's work on morphogenic fields. See, Darwin was, again, a lost leader. He was meant to distract and distort. And if you think that the way things are created on Earth is through random natural selection, and then, mother has like offspring and one of them has longer legs, so that one runs faster and that one catches more meat, and so that one breeds more and that one eventually becomes, is not the way things are formed on Earth. I suggest you read carefully all of Rupert Sheldrake's work on morphogenic fields, because that is the way things are shaped. Things are shaped through energy fields, and that affects DNA, and then the DNA is changed. And in fact, they've done experiments. Bruce Lipton talked about an experiment where a researcher was trying to prove the supremacy of genes. And they did a research project where they put a bacterium in a petri dish which contained nothing but lactic acid, and the bacterium could not digest lactic acid. So they thought that because it was genetically unable to digest lactic acid, that after a week they would look in the petri dishes and all the bacteria would be dead. Well, imagine their surprise when they came back a week later and the bacteria was thriving. So when they more or less autopsied it and put it through a CRISPR, do the gene sequencing, they found that some of the junk DNA that they thought didn't do anything actually contained a component to rewrite the DNA in order to the organism to continue. So why and how did that happen? Well, obviously the bacteria didn't want to die, right? And so it rewrote its own genetic code to be able to eat lactic acid. This was published in Nature magazine. And of course,